In this video, I'm going to show you how to use strict mode in JavaScript. Strict mode in JavaScript makes it more strict with rules and with what you can get away with. So for example, if I declare a variable without using var, or in ES6 you would use let or const. So let's not use var. And now I print this out. And it works. However, if I put JavaScript into a strict mode, and the way you do it is by, at the very top, putting use strict, and I refresh right now, it throws reference error. A random variable is not defined. As you can see, it made our code more strict, which is really good, so you don't make random mistakes. Now let's fix this. Use strict will also do the same thing with variables that are declared in a function. For example, boom, uncut reference error. URL of the website is not defined. So let's define it. Refresh. It works. There's also a way to put the code inside the function in strict mode and nothing else, and you would have to put use strict inside the function. So what that would do is allow us not declare a variable in the main program, which is a very bad idea, by the way, but it would still be strict inside the function. So let's refresh. Now it's only giving us an error for the variable inside the function and still printing out dev delight, the random variable. Another example of use strict is when you pass two parameters into a function with the same name. So for example, if we call our function right now, test, the parameter name str is the same. If we refresh, it works. However, let's put our function into the strict mode. And then it will throw an error. Duplicate parameter name not allowed in this context. Another thing that strict mode does, it makes sure that you're not allowed to use certain keywords that are reserved for future versions of JavaScript. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment of what kind of tutorials you want to see in the future. Talk to you soon.